it's Jennifer of Jenza's Gardens and Labyrinth by Jenza's Garden, like my labyrinth. So I wanted to do a real quick, what are these labyrinth meditations that you might see around? Tracy Gilchrist of Summit Valley Farm, who I'm at her natural wellness studio over in Harrisville by the waterfall. And Tracy's had labyrinth meditations here before, and we're going to plan some coming up in this future year. Yeah, I said future year, so 2020, you know, we're still here. So anyways, if you know me at all, or if you can tell with my personality right now, I am what I call a failed meditator. I can't sit and meditate. I have tried, and I love the people do, and I think that's great, but I wanted to find a way that I could empty my mind and be mindful. And that is what these meditations are about, and that's what's using a labyrinth. A labyrinth is one path in, and I'm going to talk, you're going to see my butt, it's all right. It's one path in, and going in, it's just about releasing, and it could be releasing your day of stress. Really, we do get to the center. By the time we get to the center, we hope our mind is clear, because the act of walking is dissipating the energy. Now, of course, not right now, I'm going a mile a minute, but when you do come to a meditation workshop, that is the point. It will be more in a not brightly lit, there might be some candles, definitely some music, and you probably have a go-through, definitely will have a go-through once through the labyrinth, just so you know how to walk it, just so you get comfortable going in this pattern. And then afterwards, everyone has walked and taken their time just to be comfortable here. We go off to the side, we do a guided meditation. So again, for me, someone who is, okay, when is this gonna be over? When is this gonna be over? I love guided meditations because someone else is talking me through it. Tracy does them here too, and I've been to hers. So it just gets you in a different mindset. So you go through a guided meditation together as a group, and then one by one, individually, we do walk into the labyrinth. And that just helps kind of clear our minds even more, open it up for maybe anything that we received during that guided meditation. And by the time you get to the middle, you are ready to receive. Your mind is clear, you're open, your heart's open, your mind's open, and maybe you're just more in tune. And you stay in the middle as long as you want, and then the end is about returning, because we all have to return to the real world. But if you are here with us, or at a different location that I am doing this, but hopefully here, I just went backwards, and that's okay. So if you are here with us, this is what happens when you talk and do this at the same time. Once we're done going through that final time, we're gonna sit, and if you need support with people, you need to talk about your experience, then we're here for each other. It's a small group, usually under 5, because it is a small labyrinth, and I want everyone just to walk through it by themselves and not feel rushed. So under 5 people, it's pretty intimate. What happens in the labyrinth room stays in the labyrinth room. So feel free to be able to, talk about your experience. So that is what a guided meditation with the labyrinth is when you take one with Jenza's Garden at the Natural Healing Center here. Did I get that wrong? I got that totally wrong. She's smiling at me. Thank you, Tracy. Summit Valley Farm people. Look it up. She's a great yogi. But come on down here or to one of the other locations. Follow me on Jenza's Gardens or Labyrinth by Jenza's Gardens. You'll see the events. And it'll just be, I just wanted to give you a quick kit. But check me out. Send me a message. Have a great day. Heart blessings. Thank you.